Hello and welcome to another Piano Talk with Janae.
Piano Talk 2.
Yep, Piano Talk number 2. And today we have a special topic. We are actually reviewing and opening our
Foot
pedal page turners.
Yeah. That are connected with our electronic devices that we're using for music.
So if you haven't heard of Forscore, Forscore is like a piano library app. It's not just for piano, but for musicians, it takes your PDF file of the music, and then it allows you to store all of your music in this app. It lets you mark the music, and it helps you turn the pages really easily.
Yeah, so. I've seen people using them for a while now, and I'm so curious about them because it just looks so convenient. You eliminate the hassle of trying to turn pages and quickly. And took the plunge and finally bought an iPad, a larger one, so I could see it a little bit better, and got the Forscore app. Yeah, and it takes a little bit of work getting used to it, though.
Yeah.
Like, it's just so different than what I think we as pianists are used to using with our originals.
Right.
So you have to practice it, right?
Yeah, you do have to practice it. And so because we have our recital coming up, we'll be using our Forscore apps. And it's kind of hard turning the pages on our own because we have to lift up our hands off the keys. And sometimes you don't play all the notes because you're trying to turn the pages, even on an iPad.
With the touch. Because with the iPad, you just have to touch the side with Forscore and the page turns. So if it's something slow or something that
it's really good.
Isn't really fast, you're fine.
But then if it's something that you have to continually repeat, like you have to go back 2 pages
or 3,
and then it's super fast, then it
like
becomes really tricky. Yeah, like our Procopia.
Yeah, we performed in masterclass last Friday, and it was the first time performing our 4th movement of the Prokofiev that's really fast.
Yeah.
Really fast. And you have to flip back to the beginning with a repeat that's, for me, is 3 taps away. And I didn't get there. Didn't get there.
It's tricky.
Yeah, so that's when our friend in class, Daniel, suggested that we get the foot pedals. And I've seen people use them before, but do most people use these? Would you say?
I think that more people are starting to use them, especially if you're playing in an ensemble. I think especially in chamber groups, they all are uniform and they all get an iPad with Forscore and they all start using it. Especially like violinists and cellists, when they have to actually hold the instrument and it's hard to get your bow out of the way and turn that page. So
makes sense.
It's coming out more.
Very uniform.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we were warned that if we want to use these foot pedals, we need to practice with them because there's a learning curve with them, and our recital is a week and a day away, and we just both got ours in the mail today. We ordered them last week, and so we're gonna open them up and show them to you and share with you what our thoughts are and what it looks like and what we think.
Yeah. So here we go. We're gonna open them up. If we can. Okay, I have scissors. Do you need scissors?
Let's see how strong I am.
Okay. There you go. And Janae and I both got 2 different kinds of foot pedals. Mine ended up being $109, and it's called the PageFlip Firefly.
Okay, and mine was 100. It was around 100.
$100,
I think mine
like
was
99 or something.
99. And mine is called the Airturn Duo BT200. Wow.
Mine looks a lot bigger.
Completely different size. What if I can't find mine with my feet?
I don't know.
Yours looks a little more.
I don't know. We'll let you guys know if the extra $8 or $9 was worth it.
So they both have really good reviews. Of course, we look at that. And I just bought mine off of Amazon.
Yep, me too. And it came today, so.
Okay. That's what it looks like.
That looks good.
Yeah, but it's really small.
No, I think that looks, wow, mine looks, okay, this is like the picture. I wonder why this one is more expensive.
It's bigger.
This one looks cooler.
You think?
Well, I don't know. Maybe. This does look like a firefly. True to its name.
Cats. Oh, really? Is it called Firefly?
Yeah, firefly.
So these are different. The control panel up front.
And if we click on them, this is the sound that comes out. I can kind of hear it, but it's not like a huge clicking noise, which I think is a big deal in a classical music setting.
Mine doesn't have any clicking.
Oh yeah, but I guess there are other ones that have a clicky
noise.
So
yeah, it's really soft.
It looks like mine has batteries, and they're 2 AA batteries, and I think it comes with the batteries. So I'm gonna see if I can find the batteries. Yeah.
So mine does not have batteries.
Is it just charged? I like that it doesn't have batteries, actually.
Really?
Yeah. That's really nice. I
2
don't know
LED
if I have...
indicators for communications and charging status.
See, it didn't come with batteries, so that's kind of a minus for me. I feel like if it's $8 more expensive than the Duo wireless
internal rechargeable battery.
It should come with AA batteries, but it doesn't. Do we have batteries? We do? Can you grab 2 for me? What is this for?
Well, mine has a cable. It's like a
charging cable?
Uh-huh.
But mine doesn't. Mine is just batteries. I don't know why this is here. It doesn't plug into my iPad, right?
It kind of looks like the same type of charger.
It does. Oh, I guess you could power it with
an iPad?
With a computer, I think. That's what that's for.
Mine's right there.
So I'm going to put in the batteries that we have. And so cool.
Mine's on.
That's awesome.
Why is it blinking blue?
It's looking for something.
So get your iPad out. So I got my batteries in, and I'm going to turn it on. Power on. Oh, there we go.
Is yours doing the same thing?
Yeah, it's starting to blink.
A red light versus a blue light.
Oh, man. Yours looks so good, though.
I think yours looks really good, too. I think yours might actually be more conducive to a foot that's reaching out to use.
Really?
Like, this is really flat.
It's got
yours
like
is
the
more,
grips.
Is it ergonomic?
It's got, I don't know.
Ergonomic,
yeah,
right?
Something like that. These are big words that Janae is using.
Well, I am a doctorate student.
Not an English major. When in music do we use that word, ergonomic?
Is that not what those keyboards for computers
mean?
where it fits the wrist better? See, I do know what I'm talking about.
What does ergonomic mean? What's the definition?
It means it's more conducive to the anatomy of your body.
Oh, so it like fits. It's more fitting.
More fitting.
Why don't you just say
this
that?
Looks like it's more usable for your foot. It's on the angle. See, mine's straight. I don't know.
We'll see. We'll figure it out. We'll find out soon enough, right? Pairing. Oh, so I need to go to settings in your iPad probably, right? And you need to find it. You need to search it. So Bluetooth on.
Mm-hmm.
And
is this no, accessory?
An accessory, right?
Uh-huh. Other devices, accessory.
So there's a, let's see. BT200. Is that yours? That's yours. That's trying to sync with mine, but I don't want to sync with yours. So if you go like this, there it is. Pair. That was a lot faster. I don't know why mine isn't.
It says it's connected.
Mine isn't connecting. Bluetooth reset. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
That's going crazy. That's yours, right? It's
Mm-hmm.
premium pedal. That must be it.
Yeah, it's yours. So mine's hooked up. It should be.
So go back to Forscore now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and mine should be hooked up too.
Okay, Forscore. So now. Oh!
Oh, cool. Okay.
Okay, so watch. I'm going to push it. There's the page.
And I will too. So
Page
watch
has
carefully.
turned. Look at that.
Wait.
I'm just pushing it down.
Push.
Why is there 2 pedals?
Push.
Okay.
So you can go back.
So you can go right or left?
Yeah, you
So,
can go right or left.
This is the conundrum. There is a conundrum. Look how small this is. And if a pianist is playing with their right foot on the damper, left foot on the una corda, where do you put this?
You probably put
Do you put it on in front of your feet? In front of the pedals?
You probably
of
put
the
it on your
piano?
left side, like near your left feet. So
As in plural, left feet?
yeah, your
Left
left
foot.
foot. So then your right foot is right here, and your left foot is right here, and then
So
you
what
just
if
put
you
it on the
need
side
to-
like that.
Okay. So you use your left foot. Is that, would you agree? Is this all used by the left foot?
I think so.
No right foot? Maybe
think
that's
so.
because, I mean, it's similar to driving a car, right? You've got
Yeah.
your right foot on the gas. You use your right foot for the most important pedal on the piano. This left foot's a little bit more.
We never,
So see, this is going to be the trick to see how difficult this is to pair up because your feet are already busy
yeah.
at the piano. I wonder
We'll have
if
to
this
give it a shot.
is going to be better than flipping with our hands or more of a distraction.
I
What
have
do you
no
think?
idea. It's gonna be something else that we add to our list of things to worry about. But
Yeah, your hands, your brain,
Like,
your
worrying
body,
about
your pedaling, and then
the fact that it's charged out of the
another-
way, and then like making sure our iPads are on airplane mode so that we don't get texts and or
Oh.
calls during the recital. Yeah, I thought of that today.
Really?
Yeah, because then you might get a notification when you're playing, and then it'll throw off like everything, right? So with electronics, like it's gonna be tricky
Yeah,
because
oh, I
you
didn't
get
even think
new
about that.
problems arise.
Yeah. But we do need to try this out. So
So yeah, we're gonna
we'll do
try it
that.
out, and I think that we can do a follow-up video.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like yours was a little easier to connect to Bluetooth, and it came pre-charged. So the only bad thing about this so far is it's a little slower for us right now. I mean, what we just barely did for me to connect to Bluetooth, and you have to have AA batteries. AA batteries didn't come with my package, so that was kind of lame.
AA or double A?
Double A. AA batteries. You call
could
it
say
A double A?
Double A.
Oh, I call it AA batteries.
Double A.
Double A batteries.
Double A, triple A batteries. Do you call them AAA batteries?
Triple A batteries. AAA batteries. Sometimes
you
I
say
do
AAA
AA batteries. Maybe it's because I grew up in like a not like native English speaking family.
Maybe.
So we made it up because we're like, they're two A's, so it's like AA instead of double A. Anyway, that's a whole conversation for another video. So I think I'm gonna turn mine off, but yeah, we'll keep you guys posted on how we do on our recital as well. Well, how we do with these during our rehearsals, and whether we adjust to them or not.
And if we like them, if it's worth
If they're
getting
worth the
that,
price.
If
Yeah.
you get Forscore for your music.
Yeah.
It's been really great, honestly, Forscore for all your music. It's just so easy to carry around, and you don't have to have binders full of music, which is what I used to do in the past. So
Yeah.
I've been enjoying that part of it so far. So we'll see if this is a good addition to add.
We'll keep you posted. All right.
Peace out.
Peace out. We're going to go practice now. All right.